Today we will see how to write problem and solution type of essay. We will start by seeing and understanding the question. Despite a large number of gyms, a sedentary lifestyle is gaining popularity in the contemporary world. What problems are associated with this? What solutions can you suggest? Now let me explain you the question. The question says that there are more number of gyms available these days. Sitting at one place and working is becoming more popular among the people. Your job is to mention the problems related to this situation and giving the solutions to the problems. Now before we start, you all need to make sure that you have thoroughly understood the entire question, because if you forget the tiniest piece of information, you may answer the question which was never asked to you. So let us see the steps required to write an essay. The first is making plan. You can see that as we are asked to write the problems and the solutions, we have written the points that we will include in the essay. Starting with problems associated with sedentary lifestyles. The points are obesity, problems with backbone, that are osteoporosis and scoliosis. These are enough number of problems. Also, remember that you can always add more points as per your requirement. Now let us see the ideas for solution. The first one is promote walking and cycling as safe and attractive alternatives to motorized transport. Second is promote visiting gyms and doing exercises. Now we are having the ideas for our essay. The second step is to relearn the format. The first thing in the essay is introduction. In introduction, you first paraphrase the topic, which means you write the topic in your own words. Then you write the thesis statement. Thesis statement means the purpose of your essay or the sentence which tells the examiner what your essay is about. After writing the thesis statement, you leave one line and then you start writing the body paragraph. In body paragraph number 1, firstly, explain causes or problems with an example. Now we will see the content of body paragraph 2. It should have the explanation of the solution of the problem. So here we end the body of our essay. Now last but not least, conclusion. In conclusion, you firstly summarize essay. This can be done by re-paraphrasing the question prompt. Then giving suggestions if you have any. The third and the most important step in writing the essay is using the plan and format. So let us start writing. Firstly, the introduction. We shall start with paraphrasing the question. Nowadays, a sedentary lifestyle is becoming more and more popular despite a big number of sport facilities. The next is thesis statement. This essay will discuss the main problems associated with this situation and propose some feasible solutions to avoid them. Here, I have mentioned what examiners should expect from me in the essay. So here ends the introduction. Now let us start the body paragraph 1, which is about problems. It starts with explaining causes or problem plus example. To start with, the main complications caused by inactive lifestyle are obesity and various spine disorders. A growing number of body research shows that long periods of physical inactivity elevates a risk of becoming overweight. This is because people burn fewer calories and easily gain weight. What's more, a lot of studies show that sitting disease often results in posture and backbone problems. Due to constant sitting, person loses muscle tissues and curves spine, developing numerous spinal diseases. For example, it has been proven that about 80% of people experience backache at least once a week. As a result, people become less active and weaker. In this paragraph, with the reference of the plan, we have presented the information. Also, you can see the words in bold letters. These are the linkers and the uncommon words which can help to get better score in coherence and cohesion and lexical resource section. Now we shall start writing second body paragraph. It includes explanation of the solution of the problem. In my opinion, the best solution to these problems is promoting active lifestyle. Firstly, millions of people stay less active because they use cars instead of walking. Therefore, an effective way to make people more active is to advertise walking and cycling as safe and attractive alternatives to motorized transport. Moreover, inactive lifestyle is gaining popularity because nowadays a lot of people prefer workouts in the gym, and the best way to avoid the hazards of unhealthy living is to obtain a regular dose of physical activity. Thus, promoting gyms and regular exercising would increase the level of activity. In this paragraph, you can see that we have a huge range of linkers to present the ideas that we included in the plan. Make sure that you use the linkers and ideas accurately. Finally, the conclusion. We will start with the concluding linker. In conclusion, a sedentary lifestyle causes a lot of health problems, including obesity and spinal diseases. The most effective solution is to increase the level of fitness in the society by advertising physical activity. You can see that we have written the main problems and main solutions in the conclusion. Also, note that I have tried to use different and uncommon words in the entire essay. So, this brings us to the last part of the video, that is, tips for effective performance in this type of essay. Firstly, read the instructions carefully. Then, mention all the problems or causes in one paragraph and all the solutions in another paragraph. Also, provide examples if possible. And finally, follow the format. So by this, we come to the end of this lecture. If you have any queries related to whatever is discussed in the lecture, please write in the comment section below. We will respond at our earliest convenience. Thank you for joining with us. I will see you in the next class.